Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download apps on laptop. Now, to download apps on laptop, you can use the Microsoft App Store. Come to your start over here, search for Microsoft Store. It's over here. So once you search for it, go ahead and open it and make sure you have some internet connection connected. Now, once you're done opening it, you can come over here and search for any app. You can see, guys, it says search apps, games, and more. So say if you want to download any app you want, just go ahead and search for it from this point. Now let's assume you want to download like CapCut or maybe Roblox or maybe Brave. Just go ahead and search for it, and then once you search for it, you then go ahead and click on install. Okay, now you can see, for example, you're downloading Brave. Just come and tap on Brave itself, you can see, then tap on the install button, and then once you install it, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.